In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Calendar notifications pop up. If your reminders have been easy to miss or only showing as quiet alerts inside the tab, this quick setup will make sure you see a clear banner on your computer right when you need it. Start by opening Google Calendar on your computer in a web browser. Any modern browser works, but Chrome, Edge, or Firefox usually provide the most reliable desktop notifications. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you use for your events so the right calendar is active on the page. Once Calendar is open, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open the menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to a full settings page with a menu down the left-hand side. Scroll that left sidebar until you find the section labeled Notification Settings. Click that to open all the options related to how Calendar alerts you. Inside Notification Settings, find the option labeled Notifications. Here, select Desktop Notifications. This is the key choice that tells Google Calendar to send notifications through your computer's notification system, not just within the browser tab. When you switch to Desktop Notifications, your browser may prompt you to allow notifications from Google Calendar. Click Allow so your computer can display the pop-up banners. If you don't see a prompt, it may be because you previously allowed or blocked notifications. You can usually adjust that later in your browser's site permissions if needed. With desktop notifications turned on, event reminders will appear as native system alerts, even if the Calendar tab isn't open or is in the background. They'll show up in your operating system's notification center, so you can review them if you missed one. A couple of quick tips to make sure everything works smoothly. Confirm that your browser isn't set to block notifications for the Calendar site, and check that your computer's Do Not Disturb or Focus mode is turned off during times you want to see alerts. If you're using multiple Google accounts, verify you've enabled this setting in the account where your events live. That's all there is to it. Open Google Calendar, go to the gear icon and into Settings, head to Notification Settings, and set notifications to Desktop Notifications. From now on, your reminders should pop up where you'll actually see them, helping you stay on time without constantly checking the Calendar tab. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new, reliable pop-up notifications.